There are two main ways to store digital files, on your computer or in the cloud service. You can save data on a service provider's servers from afar using cloud storage. These companies often keep copies of your files in backup and recovery in more than one data center and protect them with strong security. Any gadget that can connect to the internet can get to your files stored in the cloud service. You save your files on computers or storage devices that you own and run. We call this physical storage, which we also refer to as local storage. There are hard disk drives, solid-state drives, and USB flash drives in this group. There are pros and cons to both ways of saving things. We'll talk about a few of these in this piece. Pros of local storage. It is faster to store data on portable hard drives than to send it to the cloud. Information security, you decide how to keep the data, who can access it, and how to protect it. Capacity is one of the crucial aspects about local storage. While 10 gigabytes is an adequate amount of free online storage, a hard disk may easily supply 2 terabytes. Survivor, local storage does not rely on an online connection. When you save something on-premise and need access to it, you can find it right away. Drawbacks of local storage. Data accessibility. One of the disadvantages of local storage is that data is difficult to retrieve and share with other teammates when needed. Cost. The gear and infrastructure are expensive, and adding additional space and upgrading simply increases the expenses. Backup and recovery. If your server crashes, its data will also be affected. This could be a big worry for businesses that want to move their info to the cloud. Unexpected events like fires and floods can easily damage data stored locally, and people often lose local storage and backups. Benefits of cloud storage. Cost-effective. Purchasing physical storage or hardware might be expensive. Cloud storage costs less than utilizing external devices. Security. The adoption of encryption methods makes cloud storage safer than local storage. You and your employees can access the files stored in the cloud, but only if you have permission. Adding an additional level of safety is essential. You can get to your files from anywhere with the cloud. You will only need an online link. Recovery. You can get to your files through the cloud if your hard drive fails or if something else goes wrong with your gear. This is a copy of the data you have on physical drives. When you work with cloud storage, any changes you make to a file are instantly saved on all of your devices and updated. This just makes things easier for you and your job. Cloud storage cons. Downtime. Downtime is something to think about when you're using cloud computing because your cloud provider may have issues with slow internet, power outages, and service repair, all of which can slow things down. You need to have fast internet to use cloud computing. In the cloud, this is the only way to gather information. It's faster when you use cloud storage because your app isn't the only one running on the computer. Other companies and applications that use the same network may impact your performance. Introducing Eshare.ai, your eco-friendly cloud storage solution. At Eshare.ai, we do not just store data. Our safe and environmentally friendly cloud platform offers advanced data management, eliminating the need for cumbersome hard drives and inefficient physical storage. Use Eshare.ai for data backup and recovery. Eshare.ai guarantees that your data will always be secure and available. Our backup systems and disaster recovery procedures protect your data against natural catastrophes and unexpected incidents. Count on Eshare.ai to safeguard and make crucial data available when you need it most. Data protection. Our first priority is to ensure the security of your information. Eshare.ai uses cutting-edge encryption, authentication, and access controls to protect your data from illegal access. Our cloud storage is far more secure than storing data on premises, safeguarding your information from loss, misuse, and unauthorized access. What distinct solution does Eshare.ai offer? Eshare.ai offers a comprehensive cloud storage and collaboration platform, which includes unrestricted free file sharing, real-time collaborative capabilities, simple file management and organization, access from any device, anywhere. Mark files offline to work on those files even without internet access. Built-in live chat. Conclusion. The data storage option you choose will be primarily determined by your use case, the physical space in which you work, and, of course, your budget. When it comes to making the final decision, the benefits may outweigh the benefits of the other. Many cloud providers exist, each with their own set of offerings. Weigh the advantages and downsides of cloud storage versus local storage carefully, and then decide which will give you the greatest confidence in the end.